Take it like you handling your problems on a daily. Yeah, my shorty take me, got engravings after dating. Like her name was tatted on my soul. She my normal girl on love girl who never lost control. Plus a supermodel. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna do like a summer hairstyle for you guys, because on Instagram I did like a question thing on my story where I was like, oh, I haven't been feeling inspired lately during quarantine, and then suddenly I started feeling more inspired, but then I don't know what to film. So I asked you guys, what would you guys like to see more? And most of you guys were like summer hairstyles. So I was like, okay, why don't I do some summer hairstyles? Because I have been trying to like do something with my hair for the past couple months, but I don't know what to do. But then I started looking on Pinterest for some summer inspo hairstyle. Lately I have been trying to play around with my hair as well, because I don't know what to do with my hair, guys. Like seriously, it's so freaking long. Can't go to the hair salon. Well, I could, but you know, I don't want to at this moment. But like, I don't know what to do with my hair, so I was like, this should be like a fun video where I could experience like different hairstyles. And plus there are some hairstyles that I always do for the summer. It's very easy, but then there's some new ones that I haven't tried out yet, which I will be trying out with you guys to see if I like it or not. I feel like I'm talking too much, but let's just jump right into it, shall we? Okay, so the first hairstyle is parting it in the middle like this. Sometimes I just wear my hair like this, like behind the ear type look for the summer. So this is like a quick easy hairstyle, but for those days that are really hot, sometimes I would just put it up in like a half pony like this. Hopefully you guys could see. So I would just do like a half pony like this. So this is like the half pony. Hopefully you guys could see, like a low half pony. Very cute. And sometimes you could leave like hair pieces in the front down like this. Usually I like doing this, and sometimes I would like curl the piece in the front, but yeah. Okay, so the next hairstyle is easy. So what I usually do for this is grab all of my hair into a low pony. I'm gonna turn behind so you guys can see. Hopefully you guys could see. And then I have a rubber band. I'm just gonna tie it. So it's like a low ponytail like this, as you guys could see. You guys could leave it like this as well and pull like the two strands hair out. But for this one, this is what I do. So you guys see the section. So what I do is part it in half like this. You see? And then I put my hand under. And then I grab the ponytail and flip it in. Hopefully I made sense, but you guys know what I mean. So I flip it in like that. So like it doesn't make your ponytail boring. So it's like really cute. And then you could always like adjust it by like, if you want it loose, just pull it a bit. And then what I usually like to do is again take two strands of hair, put it in front of me like that. And usually, like I said, I usually like to curl. What was that? That was the truck. Wow. But like I said, I usually like to curl the front because my hair is like really long, as you guys could see. But yeah, so it makes your ponytail less boring. It's really cute. Okay, so the next hairstyle is a low bun, which I have been wearing lately because it's been freaking hot and I'd be like sweating in my back, on my back I mean. But basically, ponytail and then twist it. And then there you have it, your low bun. But I usually like to get like a scrunchie and cover up the rubber band just so it looks cute. So just like that. It's very cute and simple, and I feel like it makes me look sophisticated, and it's great for like getting hair off your back whenever you're sweating behind your back, because I know whenever I go out and it's too hot, I be sweating on my back and I have to tie my hair into a bun. So freaking cute. Don't I look sophisticated? And then of course, you guys know, you guys could pull the hair out again like that. So I did this tutorial, like a messy hair bun. When would I say this would be? Probably like a month ago or two, because a lot of you guys were asking how I do a messy hair bun, so I'm gonna show you guys how I do it again. Oh, and by the way, I always tie it up in a high ponytail as well, but I'm not gonna tell you guys this because this is like a simple hairstyle. So I grab all my hair and I brush it very high up to where I want my bun to be. So I want my bun to be like right here. So I'm gonna get a hair tie, and then I'm gonna start twisting it, just like how I did the low bun. I'm just gonna twist and then twist around. And then I'm gonna get a scrunchie to secure it and make it look cute and hide the rubber band. So there you guys have it, the high bun. And if there's like any hair sticking out, you could always use a bobby pin to pin it back in. But I really love this hairstyle when I go to like the beach or like it's freaking 100 degrees outside. So yep, I'm gonna show you guys how the back look. Like I said, if any hairs are sticking out, you could just put bobby pins to put them where you need it to be. Okay, so next, what I usually like to do is braid it here. So I do like a French braid. And I'm not gonna braid the whole thing, I'm just gonna braid it halfway. It's so hard not having a mirror because I'm like looking at my phone. And I'm just taking a rubber band and just securing it. So you guys see, I barely even braid all the way, I just only did a little bit. And this like moved my hair to the back, like out of my face. And then I just do the same thing to the other side. If you guys want to know how to French braid and you guys want to see a video on that, just let me know in the comments below. Like losing so much hair, guys. You guys see my bow spot? Oh my goodness, I hate it so much. But yeah, if you guys have bow spot like me and wanted to look fuller, just put like freaking black eyeshadow. But yeah, there you guys have it. Just get like the front pieces out of your face, which I really love. I actually love it more when my hair is really curly. If you guys go on my Instagram, there's a picture that I did the hair like this, and I'm gonna show it to you guys right here. And you could see it more because I was a blonde, but since it's dark you could barely see it. But yeah, so it's very cute and simple. And from here you can always like tie your hair up in a ponytail or put it in a bun and it still look cute. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys my last hairstyle. So you need like a couple of rubber bands, which I got. I split my hair in half like this. I'm gonna start working with one section at a time. So I'm gonna clip this hair out of the way. It'd be nice if you have like that comb that has the tail, but basically I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna hold a piece like this, and then I'm gonna tie it. It's gonna look really cute, trust me. Then I'm just gonna tighten it, and then put this to the side. I'm gonna clip it, and then repeat the same step basically. So just get a piece, another little section. I'm probably gonna do the last section just to show you guys how it looks, because I know you guys probably are like, ew, what is that? But it's gonna look really cute. Okay, and then to just let these pieces sit. All right, let me finish the rest of the hair so you guys can see how cute it is. All right, guys, so there you guys have it. It looks really cute, and it's like out of the face, out of the way. It looks really girly as well. All right, guys, so there you guys have it, some summer cute hairstyles. And if you guys would like to see a part 2, just give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in my next video.
You know that you my aura in existence, cause you hold a crown.